Ever found yourself lost in a sea of charts, indicators, and economic calendars, wondering which platform truly reigns supreme in helping you navigate the financial markets? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's likely crossed your mind: who stands as the biggest competitor to the powerhouse that is TradingView? TradingView has undeniably become a go-to platform for millions of traders and investors worldwide. Its intuitive interface, vast array of tools, and vibrant social community have set a high bar. But in the dynamic world of financial technology, there are always contenders vying for the top spot. So, let's explore the landscape and identify the key players challenging TradingView's dominance. One name that frequently surfaces in this discussion is MetaTrader. For years, MetaTrader 4 and its successor, MetaTrader 5, have been staples in the online trading world, particularly for Forex and CFD brokers. Unlike TradingView's browser-based approach, MetaTrader platforms are primarily desktop applications, often provided directly by brokerage firms. While its user interface might feel a bit dated to some, MetaTrader boasts a robust automated trading capability through expert advisors, EAs, a feature that attracts a significant segment of traders looking for algorithmic solutions. Its deep integration with numerous brokers also provides a direct pathway to execution, a key differentiator from TradingView, which primarily focuses on analysis and charting. Another significant competitor is Bloomberg Terminal. Now, it's important to acknowledge that Bloomberg operates in a different league in terms of pricing and target audience. While TradingView caters to retail traders and investors, Bloomberg Terminal is a professional-grade platform favored by institutional investors, financial analysts, and large corporations. Its unparalleled depth of real-time and historical data, sophisticated analytics, news feeds, and communication tools make it an indispensable resource for those operating at the highest levels of finance. Although its cost puts it out of reach for most individual traders, its comprehensive features and market influence make it a formidable presence in the financial data and analytics space. Beyond these established players, several other platforms offer compelling alternatives and carve out their own niches. Thinkorswim, offered by TD Ameritrade, now part of Charles Schwab, is a powerful desktop-based platform known for its advanced charting tools, paper trading capabilities, and extensive educational resources. Its focus on active traders and option strategies positions it as a strong contender, particularly in the North American market. ProRealTime is another platform worth mentioning, especially popular in Europe. It's a downloadable software known for its highly customizable charts, powerful backtesting features, and real-time data from a wide range of exchanges. Its emphasis on technical analysis and algorithmic trading appeals to a dedicated segment of serious traders. Furthermore, the rise of commission-free trading apps like Robinhood and Webull, while initially focused on simplified trading execution, are gradually incorporating more advanced charting and analytical tools. While they might not yet offer the depth of analysis found on TradingView, their growing popularity and accessibility to a new generation of investors make them potential long-term competitors in the broader financial platform landscape. Ultimately, the biggest competitor to TradingView isn't necessarily a single entity. It's a diverse group of platforms, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and target audience. MetaTrader's automated trading, Bloomberg's institutional-grade data, Thinkorswim's advanced features, and the accessibility of newer trading apps all present unique challenges and alternatives to TradingView's comprehensive charting and social networking approach. The choice of platform often boils down to individual trading styles, experience levels, and specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.